Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to plant hopefully the rest of what I need to get out in the garden. It is beautiful outside today. It's a little humid, but it's like 67 degrees. So let's get this started before the sun takes over and I get too hot. So let's go. So this bucket is my chamomile bucket. This one here is going to be our straw flowers. Okay, in these buckets at the end, with my purple scabiosa, I'm going to plant purple gladiolus. On the end, I think this is a hollyhock that came back, so I'm going to plant red hot pokers with it. And then these two are going to be like a peachy orange gladiolus. I'm actually going to put all of the peach colored gladiolus in this end bucket here because they're smaller and I have something I want to put in here. Some of these are not very viable. Ooh. Yep. I think these are duds. I bought them last season and kept them, and I didn't store them properly, so they're not gonna work. So instead, we're gonna plant some really pretty queen lime red zinnias. And oh my gosh, I bought so many different zinnias because they're so pretty. We'll probably do the queen lime orange and the queen lime blush. Okay, in this container here, we're going to plant some calendula. Okay, in this bucket, we're going to plant yard-long beans. These did really, really well last year, so we're going to do them again. I'm also going to plant it on the other side of the stroller. Over here I have just a mix of different stuff like dianthus, oscar, gaillardia, globe amaranth, and ageratum blue planet. That one doesn't look so good, so we're probably not going to plant that one. So we'll get these in here. Okay, last up in this bucket, we're going to do some nasturtium. I have different varieties. I have Fiesta Blend, Dwarf Cherry Rose, and Alaska Variegated. Okay, over here we're going to plant some cucumbers. This is Wisconsin SMR 58. Plant that along the front edge. And I'm going to try some Armenian cucumbers. They're like a mint green color, so they look pretty interesting. And then we will just do some straight 8 cucumbers. Okay, these buckets here are going to be my squash. So first up I have Black Beauty zucchini. We're just going to put that in the front like that. Over here we're going to do yellow Summer Pack F1 Hybrid Summer Squash. Oops, and I mangled this. We'll put these marigolds in the back sides of all of these pots. The last bucket here is Early Acorn Hybrid. Okay, this inner row here is going to be all types of melons. So we have Sweet Princess, Crimson Sweet, Sugar Baby, Cantaloupe, and then Boule d'Or. Okay, it's starting to get hot and the sun is strong. So this last row here is going to be pumpkins. So on the end here I have Cinderella, Red Warty Thing, Lumina, which is a white pumpkin, Gerardale, which is blue, and then a sugar pie pumpkin, which is good for pie making on the end. And I'm going to plant 3 clusters of each in each bucket because I'm not going to have them climb. I'm planting 2 seeds in each hole just in case one is not going to germinate. Yep. I'm going to plant my snapdragons at the back of all of the melon buckets. Mixed in with my thyme here, I'm going to plant these asparagus that I grew from seed just to see if they'll do anything. They're pretty young. Asparagus needs quite a few years to really be harvestable. Like, I think it's like 2 or 3. So we'll just put these in here and let them do their thing. Then over here, mixed in with our broccoli, I'm going to plant my little bitty celery starts to see if they'll grow. Whew. Okay, I think that's it for the day. I am hot, I'm ready for a shower, but I got everything that I grew from seed planted minus some herbs, but they go on my deck. I still have a ton of dahlia bulbs, but I am going to try and plant those in a flower bed that I have near my house, but I need to get one of those drill things that drills holes for bulbs because I'm not about to dig all those holes. But we're gonna call it quits for the day. I'll get the sprinklers hooked up and turned on because a lot of these seeds need to be watered in. A lot of these plants are very, very thirsty. So Keegan has been out here this entire time working on trying to get my irrigation system working. There just seems to not be enough pressure to get to all the buckets. So we're trying to figure that out. We may need to get some sort of pump. But for now, we're gonna go back to last year's method, which was just like a yard sprinkler. So I'll have to get that set up and started here because I've got stuff growing now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.